So we start off today's video with someone who has long waist-length hair. Wow, so she decided to shave all her hair off. Ooh, and then she went platinum. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a variety of long to short hair transformations. Here we have someone with long blonde ends. Looks like the stylist is cutting the hair and doing a pixie cut with this one. So it looks like she actually ended up getting like a pixie bob. This is gorgeous. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted in today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, looks like we have more of a traditional bob style. Few bits of blonde towards the ends. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. That one also featured feather bangs, very nice. And then we have another long to short. Looks like she's also going to be going with a bob. Wow, this bob has so much body and bounce. Absolutely gorgeous. It seems as if this hairstylist in particular likes to do a lot of pixie inspired bobs, but we do have more of a longer bob haircut for the next one. Absolutely gorgeous, nice texture, beautiful soft lines. hair looks so effortless and chic. Beautiful bob haircut, hair color transformation. Looks like the stylist did a tousled bob. Gorgeous face framing highlights, wow. And then we have a bob with a pop of color mixed in with the bangs. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, so she didn't get the color, but she did go with that French girl style bob. And then we have another gorgeous lob hairstyle. Followed by another lob with the face framing highlights. Beautiful. Lots of tousled texture with that one. Then we have another stunning pixie bob. So beautiful. Definitely one of the most popular hair trends for 2023. And then we have more of a traditional lob haircut. Beautiful blunt lines. Gorgeous. So if you guys did feel inspired with today's looks, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.